Look here now. Rosealee have picnic through her mouth. Why you think the blood clot something the right here so? You think it's a mole and the stitches there them gear and it can't go down. Stitches them stuck in her face. Cause she not have a natural face, you know, for her face unconditionally. We don't have no explanation for that face there. Don't make she frightened about a mole in her face and the stitches them from the little cut them what she get when she push out. Yeah. I say things set right now. I'm not too go on Tripple, you know, because I can't take a ball in. Can't take a ball in Tripple. No, say you ball too much, man. Ball too much. You ball too much, Tripple. So I'll leave you alone now. I should have never trouble you for trouble. I'll leave you alone, but you ball too much, man. I take God of Daniel. You're soft, boy, if you're soft, so. You're soft, boy, if you're soft, so tall. I mean, know Rosealee as my friend, you know. Because Rosealee about a secret. Rosealee tell me, see, your man is a good man, you know. Because she tell me what Tripple man can do from what Tripple man can do. But Rosealee, what can your handicap man do? Your Al-Qaeda. You ever watch Al-Qaeda? What the man a dance say? When the song say, Al-Qaeda, Al-Qaeda, You ever see that video there? It's like he come from Africa, Rosealee man. Boy, you want a young boy. After you're old and young to keep him active. Rosealee, move your dirty blood clot. You don't have no young old to keep young boy active. So, you want a young boy? Put your body there up in your breast. Hello? Rosealee, I check from her bed, friend. She just, our great. Rosealee bed a countdown bed. Yeah, Rosealee, your bed is a countdown bed. Your great them from the generations them come down, you get that bed there. You argue with me? I be a cap, you know, some things where you say these will make sense. Some things where you say these will make sense. You come and talk about. Where girl you have herpes with bump. Rosealee looking at my face and tell me if you seen a bump. Are you have the big old bump here, so are you start the herpes? Are you let it out in the country and me catch it? Yeah. Are you the head for herpes? Are you the master for it? Are you come spread the disease? A bump then on my face. Are you have a big old crosses bump in your face? Can't hide, can't go down. Bump just a swing so. Hello, leave me alone, lady, and go on my business. I'm never trouble. So, this a pillar case here now. It's a pillar case are big enough, but me on falling. Because a king size pillar set. And to me have that small pillar already, me need one by one next pillar again. Me need one by 4 king size. And I'm trying to buy that one. Yeah, talk about my picnic and go turn in on my belly and kill me. And hope the fat not kill you. You need to do your research. Fat kill people. So yeah, fat, but you're fat and you're beautiful. You're fat and you're beautiful, yes. But read it up about fat. You're going like fat not kill man or woman. Still there. My marganist not kill me, you know. So I'm not that margan, but I'm a normal marganist. I might be able to not beat me, Rosealee. Them say if a man no beat you, no love you, Rosealee, the man beat you because him hate you. Yeah, that never left. The man a beat you for your left and you're not left. You're not left. You're not left. You're not leaving. On back wheel. Rosealee the biggest thing from God's land. Then now when God ready for him, like, oh, you go home. And the casting not there for you, you know. God himself have to go come for you. So if you wait on God to go for you and carry you back where you come from and then come for me, you might get tired. So we for left out for you now. So when God come for film work today now, I'm going to do one next day for come for week and I'm going to come for you and I'm going to say, "Hi Rosealee, go on from now. Go on from now. We will meet you. Go on from now. Leave." Oh. What? Boy, I call RT boss. RT boss, him and him blood clot family house. I come to a boy and pay fee. We all know it's a connected house. You got to work your voodoo last night, but it didn't work. But look. I wonder if I put them down like this. Like, I don't know, I think them for come down so. I don't get like one look of foreign. I don't know. I don't know how to. Nope. So put it back up. No. Alright. Put it back up. But what we put it in the middle say meat with that one here because we are gonna have I think we need to put over back this again. Because Rosealee for watch and learn. Show you how young girl to be ambitious. Come learn how to spread bed. I say teeth my bed now, you know. So learn how to spread bed. Yeah, she become. Alright now. Like that. And we are teacher. I'm not wrong with sensation. I'm not dealing with my sensation. I'm not pussy hole, you know. I deal with my stuff. You know, they have one reason they treat me like me a dog. I'm not even sure me want to go on and do things. You see now, that would you know. But them a feel like a big man. They did want a little small cushion, but it's like the team when I go for like one nice little, you know. The boy come, the boy want me in my bed. This name want me. Yeah. It's a want me thing me I go for. Want me, need me. Aye, ouch, ouch. I think one needs to come over a little bit. Hold on.